Find 8 of the coolest, most intriguing, and most practical gadgets. Number 8. Smartphone Photo Printer, Canon IB2 Mini. The depth and resolution of costly desktop printers are beyond the capabilities of the Canon IB2. Nevertheless, its ease of use with a smartphone and its convenience in converting digital photographs into physical copies more than make up for its quality deficiencies. This printer uses zinc instant film, which has a peel-off backing that turns the picture into a sticker. When used with photo editing software, this special function encourages impromptu creativity. Furthermore, it easily slips into your back pocket. Due to their handy little prints that save you a trip to the store, mini printers are a throwback to the analog era. It can be difficult to choose the ideal tiny option when there are so many to choose from. Still, we wholeheartedly endorse the Canon IVA2 for several reasons. First of all, it is small just like a phone and can go into a pocket or backpack with ease. It also features a companion app that is easy to use and offers a creative range of options, with an average print time of 30 seconds. Number 7. One-stop shop for virtual reality headsets, Meta Quest 3. If you have additional money to spare, the Meta Quest 3 virtual reality headset will make someone's day. This is the technique to immerse yourself in the world of make-believe when you want to escape reality. With its remarkable 4K plus limitless display and improved 3D audio, the recently announced Quest 3 offers the greatest virtual reality experience available at this time. The Quest 3, Meta's most recent VR headset, far outperforms our favorite model, the Quest 2. To begin with, everything looks and feels better because of its quicker processor and higher resolution display. What's more, it contains color pass-through cameras which allow you to use your surroundings to work and play in high-quality augmented reality. From the list of this year's favorite things, take this. With more than 500 apps, this headgear provides fully immersive and mixed reality experiences. Excellent for playing video games or, if you're Adam and Gail, playing a little pickleball online at work. Number 6. The instant camera Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. I've been photographing the Mini Evo for the last few months, and even though the camera has 1 or 2 issues, it's still a fantastic device. It's without a doubt the best Instax Mini camera that Fuji makes right now. And even though the Evo costs $199, which is roughly twice as much as the ordinary Instax camera, its many capabilities more than make up for the additional cost. To sum up, the main features are as follows: a digital camera that can take instant pictures using Fuji Instax Mini film, pair cell phones with apps and Bluetooth, and print images from phones. It looks fantastic when done. At first glance, this camera appears to be performing the same functions as previous Fuji Instax cameras. But what makes the Evo so great is how it combines these fundamental design elements with a ton of supplementary features. User control lies at the heart of these basic and secondary aspects. In essence, the camera gives the user the freedom to take the pictures they want and print the ones they want to print, 2 things that aren't always the case with instant film photography. We can select which of them should be made into immediate prints after deciding how a picture should appear. This is usually not possible with Polaroid cameras and the more basic or authentically analog Fuji Instax cameras. With such cameras, you get what you get, and you receive a print of every photo, good or awful. With the Evo, we can take as many shots as we like until the shot comes out just the way we want it, and we can always determine if a shot is good enough to turn into an instant photo, which is nice, because each Instax Mini picture costs over $1. Number 5. Beats Studio Pro Wireless Bluetooth Headphones with Noise Cancellation. The hugely successful Apple subsidiary has been moving its most recent products in the direction of the center of the market by providing ecosystem add-ons for both Android and Apple devices. No matter what kind of phone you carry in your pocket, the new Beats Studio Pro headphones offer features like one-touch pairing, device synchronization, and a headphones finder. That's fantastic if you're the indecisive kind, but I doubt that many people swap phones frequently enough to make this more alluring than brands like Sony, which are more agnostic and offer more features focused on your activities rather than the device you use. The Studio Pro omits certain capabilities when playing both sides, including ones that are standard at this price point, including auto-pause sensors. In this fiercely competitive sector, that can be difficult. Positively, Apple has made great use of its ambient sound design to create amazing noise canceling and a new transparency mode for the series. When you consider the Studio Pro's crystal clear calling performance and robust sound, it might be well worth the investment, especially if you adore the vintage Beats aesthetic. Number 4. AirTag from Apple. Never again will you misplace something on the couch, especially when compared to Tile, the industry leader at the moment. Apple's AirTag, $29. Bluetooth tracker is remarkably simple to set up, operate, and locate thanks to its close iOS integration and the vast network of iOS devices worldwide. We think the AirTag deserves our Editor's Choice Award for iOS tracking devices because it's a stylish and fun method to find your misplaced iPhone or iPad. Trackers for people, cars, and other objects are a respectable industry. For owners of Samsung smartphones and tablets, Samsung offers the SmartTag and SmartTag Plus. The AirTag faces competition from a major player in the market for iPhone and iPad users, Tile, whose entire brand is built around inexpensive Bluetooth trackers that beep when you misplace your keys. Number 3. The Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager by Acriston with Calm Heating. With its 16 bi-directional rotating kneading massage heads, the Acriston Neck and Shoulder Massager offers deep Shiatsu-style kneading massages to relieve sore neck and shoulder muscles. Every minute, the massage rollers automatically reverse to improve the dispersion of the massage's effects. The Shaped Shoulder Massager. Our ergonomically built neck massager allows our back and neck to fully release muscle fatigue during massage by precisely controlling both the massager's working position and the strength of our muscles. 4 easy-to-use buttons make this Shiatsu massager with adjustable intensity and heating function. To get the most pleasant massage, adjust the heat to your preference. The neck massager uses infrared heating and breathable fabric to maximize nodule massage and heat penetration, thereby relieving pressure and tension in the muscles. Sturdy and plush. The premium pew leather used to construct this back massager gives it a more stylish and long-lasting appearance. The neck massager is a thoughtfully crafted gift that can help ease tension and relax muscles. The neck massager is a useful addition to a family vacation pack. Simple to use. The integrated controls on the Acriston neck massager make it easy to use. To experience true relaxation and relief, just give the power button a quick tap. With the Acriston massager's distinctive and flexible strap, you can quickly and simply change the pressure in the soft area to achieve optimal results. You can massage your neck with the help of 3 personalized speed modes. Number 2. Espresso and Coffee Maker Nespresso Virtuo Next Deluxe. This is an indication that it's time to replace your Keurig. It's small enough to fit on your kitchen counter and brews 6 various cup sizes, including espresso and single-serve amounts. In addition, it looks stylish. We were eager to try the stylish and portable Nespresso Virtuo Next, available at Amazon for $179, as we had previously tested and reviewed the best Nespresso machines for making aromatic coffee. Nothing compares to the ease of making a creamy, crema-topped coffee at home. The Virtuo Next can make everything from an espresso shot to a full coffee to a carafe, but it only takes Virtuo pods, not the original Nespresso capsules. Although we adore how simple and easy to maintain it is, many customers complain that the machine may not be long-lasting because of its limited water capacity. Number 1. Strary Projection Lamp for Sunset. These days, Kiruna, Sweden, and Southern California are home to some of the world's most breathtaking sunsets. Perhaps at your house as well. The sunset projection lamp can now actually make it happen. You can converse with friends or loved ones while lounging at home and taking in the sunset. Additionally, it lifts people's spirits and supports those who are anxious or sad. Please contact us if you run into any issues when using our products, and we will get back to you right away. With the help of this romantic sunset projection lamp, you can locate a sunset backdrop and shoot stunning photos at home, in hotels, while traveling, at school, or in a group, all without having to wait for dusk to arrive. The result will be a stunning visual impact. Mother's Day presents. It may completely change your room, adding instant romance and interest by reflecting the beautiful sunset and rainbow using the 3 major colors of natural light and diodes. Make your friends feel at ease, captivated, and romantic by creating a calming and romantic atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Come back for more.